Here in Baltimore, the American Visionary Museum holds the work of outsider artists who, while they may not have had formal artistic training, still had a vision of the world that they wanted to share. In many ways, their art offers an appropriate framework for the work that we will do in this WPA workshop, where we envision the student writers that we want to nurture as writers and thinkers, the faculty we want to prepare to instruct them, and the writing initiatives and programs that we want to create to foster the intellectual labors of all of our program participants and stakeholders. During this workshop session, we will compose a writing program mission statement that articulates the vision that you and your campus collaborators will want to convey about your writing program. We will examine institutional mission statements and consider how they represent the educational culture and public-facing profile of colleges and universities. We will use this workshop time to pause and consider our values and objectives as they concern the advanced literacy acquisitions of our students at our colleges. How can a mission statement act as a point of departure for our initiatives? To whom will it speak? And what purposes and leverages can a well-conceived mission statement afford us?